Are you searching for a delicious and nutritious way to boost your energy and enhance your overall well-being? Healthy Smoothie Recipes for Energy and Wellness is your gateway to a world of refreshing and health-boosting concoctions that not only tantalize your taste buds but also invigorate your body. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll take you on a journey through a collection of vibrant smoothie recipes designed to supercharge your energy and promote your wellness. 1. The Smoothie Revolution. In the opening paragraph, introduce the smoothie revolution that's transforming the way we consume nutrients. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that these recipes hold the secret to a healthier and more energized life. 2. Smoothie Essentials. Begin by discussing the key ingredients that form the foundation of healthy smoothies. Emphasize the role of fresh fruits, vegetables, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and superfoods like chia seeds and spirulina. 3. Energizing green smoothies. Dive into the world of energizing green smoothies. Share recipes that feature nutrient-dense greens like spinach and kale, combined with fruits for a refreshing and revitalizing blend. 4. Protein-packed smoothies. Explore the concept of protein-packed smoothies. Highlight recipes that incorporate ingredients like whey protein, nut butter, and Greek yogurt to provide sustained energy and support muscle recovery. 5. Antioxidant-rich bliss. Discuss the benefits of antioxidant-rich smoothies. Share recipes that include berries, dark chocolate, and matcha green tea to combat oxidative stress and promote overall wellness. 6. Immunity-boosting creations. Emphasize the role of smoothies in boosting immunity. Provide recipes that feature vitamin C-rich ingredients like oranges and strawberries, along with herbs like ginger and turmeric. 7. Tailoring smoothies to your needs. Show readers how they can customize smoothie recipes to meet their specific wellness goals, whether it's weight management, improved digestion, or enhanced skin health. 8. The long-term wellness journey. Conclude with the idea that healthy smoothie recipes aren't just a short-term solution, they're a lifelong commitment to energy and well-being. Encourage readers to embrace these recipes as part of their regular diet. By the end of this article, readers will not only appreciate the deliciousness of healthy smoothie recipes but will also be motivated to incorporate them into their daily routines for sustained energy and enhanced wellness. Healthy Smoothie Recipes for Energy and Wellness is a journey into a world of flavor and nourishment, where each sip becomes a step toward a healthier, more vibrant life. So, let's embark on this smoothie adventure and discover the remarkable benefits these recipes can offer for your energy and overall well-being. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.